So I know a lot of you guys watching this video, pretty much all of you guys watching this XRP news update, XRP video here. You guys love XRP, right? And so do I. I've been investing in XRP for a really long time, 40, 50 cent range. We were here when nobody else was here. I'm sure you were too. So first off, first and foremost, smash the like button because we're going to talk about some of the haters here. We're going to talk about some of the haters and how to block out the noise because there are some very, very interesting things happening right now behind the scenes that, quite frankly, piss me off about what people are saying about XRP. But I want to squash some of these stupid rumors. So drop an X in the chat. Let's let everybody know about this video. Okay, hit the like button. Let everybody know because I want people who like XRP, people who are, right in the middle, and people who hate XRP. I want all of them to see this because the numbers don't lie. You know what? People lie, but numbers don't. And a lot of these people who are saying that XRP is a ghost chain and nobody uses it, they're not even looking at the numbers. They're not even understanding the data that's in front of them. And this whole article that I came across this morning, I had to jump on here and make a video about it because, again, it just irritates me when I see these things. But they're going to continue to try to FUD you out of your positions. They're going to continue to try to drive prices lower. This is what they're doing. And don't fall for it. Don't get caught up in this mess. Hold on to your positions, have your own targets, have your own goals, and make your own decisions. Because there are a lot of people in crypto trying to scare you into making irrational moves. So let me show you what I mean here because I came across this. It said XRP saw 819 transactions worth at least $280,000 a day. These are massive transactions. And why these numbers are so important right now is because you've got a lot of people screaming from the mountaintops that XRP is a ghost chain and XRPL barely sees any significant XRP transactions. The data shows something completely different. So you can't take what people are saying on the surface as, gospel. You got to go look at the data. XRP's always been at the center of criticism, and it will continue to be so because a lot of people missed the wave. And now they feel bad about it. They feel like they got to go out there and throw shade. Now, the earliest pushback came from the Bitcoin camp. A lot of Bitcoiners, hardcore Bitcoiners, they don't like, XRP. And now we're seeing some Chainlink advocates who are pushing back against the XRP army. Here's the thing. I'm just going to tell you guys straight up. Speaking of Bitcoin, Chainlink, and XRP, I own all of them. Like this tribalism in crypto has never ceased to amaze me. It baffles me every time I see it. I don't understand it. I don't understand it at all. There are different use cases for different projects. You can own a lot of these different assets within your portfolio. To me, it makes no sense to draw a hard line in the sand on one thing or the other. You should be investing in different assets for different reasons. XRP is different than Chainlink. Chainlink is different than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is different than XRP. And the Litecoin community appears to have also taken a recent interest. Specifically, the official Litecoin account managed by an intern recently took a straightforward jab at XRP. Like, dude, are you serious? Like, Litecoin, what have they done lately? Notably, it claimed that the hype surrounding XRP is cosmic delusion and referred the Ripple CEO as Brad Garlic Mouse. However, XRP Scan and XRPL support Explorer replied to all of this criticism with hard facts, with data, with numbers. And the network saw, look at this, up to 3,356 transactions worth at least $28,000 on September 1st alone. That was 2 days ago. Some transactions were worth over $560,000. That's over $500,000. We had $94 million alone from these big whale transactions. So people were like, I want to see the overall value sent per day through the blockchain. Well, here you go. XRP Scan put it out there. And an independent analysis carried out by the Crypto Basic shows even more impressive metrics. On-chain data shows that XRPL saw 4,700 transactions worth at least 5,000 XRP just yesterday. Moreover, there were over 2,100 transactions worth $56,000 and above on the same day. This accounted for at least 120 million worth of value moved on the XRPL yesterday. And then this one, which was the headline, 819 transactions worth over 100,000 XRP on the same day. This was alone 229 million. And so when people say these things, you can't just take it and listen to it and let it impact decisions. You've got to go look at the information and the data. And the data here completely wipes out all of these rumors and FUD that is coming from these other communities and projects. I mean, straight up projects. I mean, what are you doing, Litecoin? So in contrast, I mean, the Litecoin network typically sees 175,000 to 200,000 transactions per day, much lower than what XRPL records within the same time frame. So they have no ground to stand on right now, yet they continue to throw shade. Now, speaking of XRP right now, let's take a look at the overall market here. Bitcoin is comfortably over 111,000 right now. XRP's up on the day, almost up 3%, up to 285. We came down to 270 and have shown a lot of strength here. We just talked about it yesterday. We were down at 270 yesterday, guys, like 272. I said, hey, I think this is a phenomenal opportunity yet again here. We talked about it 2 days ago. We've bounced off 270 now 3 different times. And I said, I really like this level to accumulate. We're up 15 cents since that level. And I think we're going to continue to see some nice potential upside here. If we look at XRP on the chart, we go into the hourly. This is where it looks pretty interesting. We got a nice momentum up here on 280, right? 283, a couple different times. We've had a couple wicks down to 270, but we're climbing back up. We're showing that we have a lot of strength here at 270. And you know, the technicals don't look great, but we're really close to flipping some of these technicals. If we get up into that $3 range again, all of a sudden, our moving averages look extremely bullish yet again. Now, the good thing is our longer time frames look really good. Our 100-day SMAs at 268, our 200-day SMAs at 248. So again, we came down and pretty much tested that SMA 100 at 268, showed strength on it 3 different times in the last 48 hours. That's great to see. So whales are stepping in despite what you hear, despite what you see. You got to go look at the data. And that is going to give you all you need to know. So XRP continues to see great whale activity, continues to have a lot of great retail interest as well. And I think it's going to continue to be a leader right now as this market looks to rebound from some recent lows. So that's what we've got for you guys in the video. I appreciate you all for watching. Don't forget to check out iTrust Capital if you're looking to put your crypto in an IRA. Tons of people are looking at this as an option for some of their XRP long-term holdings, right? You want that tax savings, tax haven. You're going to get a $100 funding bonus when you sign up to iTrust Capital using my link down below. So definitely check that out. Of course, we've got XT Algo, my trading software, huge discount code linked down below in the description. So if you're looking to really level up your trading game, get in and get out at the right times, even if you're a long-term investor, XT Algo is the spot for you. Both these links down below in the description, iTrust and XT Algo. And of course, we got the free newsletter as well. So a lot of options for you, as well as places where you can make your trades. We got BidFi, crypto.com, tons of things for you down below in the description. Check all that out. And XRP Army, don't listen to the noise. Don't listen to the FUD. Okay? Stick to what your goals are. Stick to your plan. And don't let outside noise dictate your decision making. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Hit that like button. Let everybody know about this video. I want this one to get out there to the masses because people have to see the real data here, the real numbers. And I appreciate you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.